Assalamu alaikum, hope you all are having a lovely day. Today we are creating a beautiful stunning canvas. Let's start inshallah. We need a large canvas. This is 90 by 120 centimeters. I'm inserting the wedges to give the canvas a support. Here I'm just preparing the canvas with just simple water. I'm using white acrylic paint. Just spreading it randomly all over the canvas. At this stage it doesn't need to be neat. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit spots of black acrylic ink. So I'm gonna be mixing both of these colors, creating a background. I'm creating cloud-like effect for the background of the canvas. This stage does take quite a long time as this canvas is quite massive, so I'm just gradually going around, creating with water, spreading it out, and with the brush making the soft strokes. Blending the colors nicely into the canvas with the brush and spraying slightly with water. Just added a little bit more white just to create that effect of the clouds. Believe me, it's not difficult, it's just practice. You keep practicing it and you get there. It's a slow process, but inshallah we'll get there. As we know, good things comes with patience, and here we are testing our patience, and inshallah we'll get there. For this canvas I needed a really good background, so I'm taking my time and creating a nice background for the actual canvas. Nearly there. Right, now we're on to the next stage. Here I am making a white rectangle on top of the background. And another rectangle on top of the white one. So we're just inserting some shapes on top of the canvas. To make the edges more defined, I inserted masking tape around the edges, as you can see there. It makes the lines more sharper and defined. I drew a circle and now I'm just colouring it in with black acrylic paint. I just wanted to create something different on this canvas. Here I'm inserting another shape with sea green colour on top of the gold one. Sometimes it's not planned, I just go with the flow, so I just do it as it comes. To give it more character to the shapes, I sprinkled gold dust using brush and gold acrylic ink. It just gives a nice finish to the shapes. As you can see, it's much more clearer on this one. It just gives a nice sparkle to the shapes and it gives more character. Do also let me know in the comment section what do you think of this technique, how I created this sparkling dust. To make it more interesting, I've created some horizontal and vertical lines using masking tapes. I'm painting the lines with silver acrylic ink. As you can see, I'm taking the masking tape off and it creates beautiful straight lines and gives a nice shape to the canvas. Now we have reached the last part where we are writing the calligraphy. I am writing with black acrylic ink. I wrote the calligraphy out with a pencil first and now I'm just filling it in with black acrylic ink. I wrote Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim on the canvas. I am creating totally different to what I usually make, so I hope you guys like this. Do let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Guys, if you like my content, do subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and do share it with others. It would be very much appreciated. Thank you. Any questions regarding this video or any of my other videos, do let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer it. Right guys, we're nearly there. Alhamdulillah, it's nearly complete. So do let me know what you think of the final result. Take care. Allah Hafiz. See you in my next video.